These rituals are designed to relieve stress and prepare you for a restful night's sleep. Targeted stretches will help to increase circulation in areas where tension tends to accumulate. Calming breathwork will restore balance to the mind and body. Roll out the mat and find a comfortable standing position. Clear your mind. Now you're ready to begin. Find a comfortable standing position with your feet parallel, hip-width apart. Relax your arms at your sides. Lean forward slightly into your toes and back into your ankles. Resume standing comfortably with your weight evenly distributed on your heels. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Again, inhale and exhale. Visualize a warm light radiating over your head. It slowly drips down your body, through your eyes and temples. It moves gently down your ears and jaw, your nose and lips, all the way to your chin. Let it drift down further to your throat and the back of your neck. This expansive, golden light dissolves any tension in your shoulders, your arms, your wrists, and your palms, filling up your fingers. Bring the light down your chest, your back, and into your stomach. If you feel any heat or tension here, let the warm light melt it away. The beautiful light goes down to your hips and pelvis, swirling down your thighs, around your knees and calves, your ankles and toes. Watch as your body fills with bright white light as all tension melts away. Slowly bring the attention back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes, inhale deeply, and exhale fully. Stand with your feet together, firmly planted on the ground. Interlace your fingers and place the knuckle grip of your clasped hands against your chin. As you begin to inhale deeply through the nose, slowly move your elbows out to the sides, keeping your hands under the chin. Exhale deeply, moving your head back, allowing your forearms in the back of your palms to frame your face. Inhale for a count of 6. And lift your elbows out to your sides, allowing your forearms in the back of your palms to frame your face. Repeat 5 times, taking slow, long breaths in and out. Stand in the center of the mat in a comfortable and relaxed position. Move your legs into a wide V shape, with toes slightly pointing in and knees slightly bent. Loosely cross your arms and slowly roll down, starting with your neck, moving one vertebra at a time. Once you get as far down as possible, lean forward slightly on your toes, knees slightly bent, with your bottom pointing up. Allow your spine, neck, and shoulders to hang heavy. Breathe deeply into the back body tension and then exhale fully, feeling the tension melt away, going up the spine and out through the top of the head. Remain in this position for 30 seconds, taking long, deep breaths. Slowly roll up, vertebra by vertebra, to a standing position. Place a block in the center of the mat on the lowest height in front of you. Place the ball of one foot on the block, leaning into your foot to stretch the calf. To deepen the stretch, shift your hips back. Breathe in for 3. Repeat on the other side. Move to a tabletop position with your knees directly below your hips. Keep your elbows and shoulders and wrists in line and perpendicular to the floor. Center your head in a neutral position and soften your gaze downward. Inhale as you drop your belly toward the mat, lifting your chin and chest, and gaze up toward the ceiling. Broaden across your chest, drawing your shoulder blades away from your ears. Exhale as you draw your belly in and round your back toward the ceiling. Release the crown of your head toward the floor, feeling your spine and back body open. Inhale, coming back into cow pose, opening up, and then exhale again as you return to cat pose, spine rounding. Repeat 5 times and then sit back on your heels. Move into child's pose. Extend one arm up toward the ceiling, feeling a stretch through the top of your chest, arm, and shoulder. Lower your arm and thread it under the opposite arm, releasing your outer shoulder onto the floor. Deeply inhale and exhale for 3 breaths. Repeat on the other side. Lie down with your back on the mat. Lift your leg to a 90-degree angle, crossing your right ankle over the left knee. Grip your left thigh and pull the knee toward you. Inhale slowly, exhale fully. Pull your knee closer to increase the stretch. Hold for 3 breaths, then switch sides. Moving into Happy Baby, bend both knees, bringing them into your chest. Hold the outside edges of your flexed feet, keeping your arms on the outsides of your legs. Gently press both knees toward the floor, keeping everything relaxed so your spine meets the mat evenly. Hold for 5 deep breaths. Focus your attention on your breath. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds. Hold the breath as you count to 7. Slowly release the breath on a count of 8 before repeating the process for 4 more cycles. Your PM rituals are now complete. Let this restorative sequence continue to alleviate any residual tension from your day and help you to make the most of every resting moment. Sleep well.